Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and I am not responsible for any losses that you may incur. What is Kraken? Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It is one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world. Why would you want to withdraw money from Kraken? There are a number of reasons why you might want to withdraw money from Kraken. Perhaps you want to cash out your profits, or maybe you need to use the money for something else. How to withdraw money from Kraken? Now that we know why you might want to withdraw money from Kraken, let's get started. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select Withdrawals. Choose the currency that you want to withdraw. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Click on the Submit button. Kraken will then process your withdrawal request. Once your withdrawal request has been processed, the money will be sent to your bank account. Kraken allows you to withdraw money to your bank account or to a cryptocurrency wallet. The withdrawal process can take up to 5 business days. There is a minimum withdrawal amount of $50. Kraken charges a fee for withdrawals. The fee amount varies depending on the currency that you are withdrawing. Withdrawing money from Kraken is a simple process. Just follow the steps outlined above, and you will be able to get your money back in no time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money from Kraken. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks for watching. How to deposit money on Kraken. How to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Kraken. How to trade cryptocurrency on Kraken. Kraken security tips. I would also like to add that this video is not intended as financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I hope this script is helpful.